Thank you so much for staying to the end. This is it. I just wanted to make it a simple video to just show you what the unboxing experience is like, how the packaging comes like to you. I paid for this package, so this is not sponsored. I would like to think that this is pretty much what everybody would get, and inside a return slip, a return plastic as well for you to put items back and send back to LK Bennett. Link will be in the description in case you want to check out for yourself what that really looks like, what it feels like, and you can cancel anytime from the looks of it. There is no commitment, there's no contract as such, so worth a try, definitely worth a try. If you are looking at this video, it means you know about LK Bennett, or you're just a subscriber and you know I'm big on quality. This channel is all about sustainability, versatility, and a big factor in all of those things is quality, and LK Bennett definitely delivers on that. I will see you in the next video, which is going to be me talking a little bit more about this service and also trying on the items that I have just unboxed. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check that out. I'll link it below, or you can you can wait for next week when I do post that video, which is going to be Sunday 6 p.m, which is when I post all my videos, 6 p.m. UK time on Sunday. Until then, stay safe and enjoy 2022.